All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to highlight two images that we're going to post for our web page on our website. And once again, we'll have one image that will be focused on North America, the United States, which is in front of us here, and another that will be focused on India. So one important thing to remember when we're picking these images is emotional engagement. So according to Derek Rucker, who's a Forbes contributor, when properly used, emotions can help facilitate consumers' understanding and acceptance of an advertising message. Indeed, the successful use of emotion can be the difference between a consumer buying a particular product or service and a consumer revolting against the advertisement. Now, while we aren't selling anything specifically within our Peace for All, we are selling the idea of racial prejudice and the importance of it to our consumers. Our consumers are really anybody that's visiting our website. So that's an important thing to remember here. Now, one thing that we want to do between both is highlight children. And an important aspect of that is the metonymic code. A metonymic code is a collection of signs that cause the viewer to make assumptions. And that's from Robin Landa, who is a graphic design expert. And what we can see between these pictures is we have children that are happy, that are smiling. It's a diverse group of children. The one within the United States is just outside in a park. The one within India is in front of a school. But the metonymic code that we're projecting there is you have happy children, smiling children, everyone's getting along. And that's the goal of Peace for All, right? To remove that racial prejudice that's there and everybody get along. And it starts with our children understanding those values and behaviors and sharing them with their friends, which translates to their parents, etc. Okay, so next we want to talk about the uh, image analysis and how two important lessons about the creation of a memorable picture. One, the producer of a message must know the culture of the intended audience, and the symbols used in the image must be understood by that culture. So once again, between the two images, we're going to have varying children in it. And that last quote was from Paul Martin Lester. He's a visual communication expert. And our first picture, once again, we have more of an American look because our audience is America. In our second picture, we have the cultural image of India. And if you look really closely on the pillars in this picture, they're orange, white, and green, which are the colors of the flag of India. So we create some cultural familiarity that way as well. And lastly, we just want to highlight once again the emotional appeal from both of these images. Both images show happy children embracing, having fun. United States image, rather, we have a thumbs up, hugs, and smiles. And in the image from India, we have children waving, saying hi, smiling, having a great time.